As the Prime Minister announced the extension of the lockdown till May the 3rd, all domestic and international flights too shall remain suspended till the 3rd of May midnight. The Aviation Ministry has made the announcement soon after Prime Minister Modi declared the lockdown is being extended. This is important, so please listen in case you have bookings on trains or planes. India had, remember, banned all international flights much before the lockdown came into effect. Since the 24th of March, 650 aircraft have been stranded at different airports across India. All train services too will be out of service till the 3rd of May. Let's also understand that how will airlines actually how will airlines likely operate once this lockdown period is actually over? You may be wondering, is it going to suddenly come back? Will flights suddenly become available? Well, you may actually see less flights, and that too limited, to the cleared zones. Flights can be with limited crew and passengers. It has to be a phased return to commercial aviation. Social distancing will have to be kept in mind. The lockdown has resulted in a huge dent and an impact on the aviation industry. According to estimates, airlines, and this is global, could lose $113 billion in global passenger revenues by the time this entire crisis is over.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.